Okay, so a few things before we preview this. This is the second video on the custom feedback for Quizmaker. So remember here I created my second question with the feedback slides. So what I need to do is I need to make sure that my feedback on the first group question actually will go to the second question. So if I click on the correct slide feedback and click more, here I would tell it to go to the second group of questions if they answer it correctly. And I did the same thing for the incorrect here. Goes back to the second group, which is here. And I'm going to click OK. So now if we preview this, you'll see how it runs. And what's going to happen is they'll get the different feedback based on their responses. So here we'll just let's choose false here. We know it's true. They get their feedback. And click next, and there's the written feedback, and it goes to the next question. So here I would have added the graphic that I had for the previous question, and let's choose standard golf rules, which is the correct, and they get their feedback. Now if you're curious, I created these feedback slides using Camtasia and PowerPoint. I just used a basic PowerPoint animation, recorded my PowerPoint slides using Camtasia, created an SWF file, and I just used it for my results screen. So I'm going to view results. You notice I edited the results screen too. So let's look at this very quickly. So there's a few things with this. Your player template, in order for this to work, you need to use the default submit one at a time for your questions and responses. If you use submit all at once, the custom feedback will not work. So you need to make sure that it submits it one at a time, and it's a default and articulate. To edit your results screens, you basically click on pass fail, and you want to go into slide view, because slide view will always give you the most flexibility. Down here there's a timeline, so if you have audio you can move it around, and you can just move these around by clicking on them, and that's all I did. So this is a basic graphic in the back. I just added an image and moved the feedback or the results around, and I did the same for the fail results. Went to slide view and did the same. Now you might be wondering the sound on the feedback. So for the incorrect feedback, if I go into slide view, you'll notice that there's a timeline down here. My audio is separate from my SWF file, and I did that on purpose because I wanted to keep it as components. So if I decide to use that feedback with a different type of sound, I can do that because they're not merged together. So here's my feedback sound. I can move it around. I can actually edit it. I can put it anywhere I want here. And then these are the text boxes. I don't have any text there. And this is my actual movie that's playing. So I'm going to save and close there. And that's basically it. That's how you create your custom feedback for your Quizmaker questions. I hope you found this useful.